How to check your Windows edition. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily check your Windows edition. So if you are using Windows 10 or 11 or any other Windows, just simply head over to your and once you're inside your settings, just click on this update and security option. So once you click on update and security options, you will see this option called OS build info under your right section. So you just have to simply click on it, and from over here scroll down. As you can see, your Windows edition will be successfully shown. So in my case I have Windows 10 Pro, and you can also check out version, so it is 22H2. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.